Hello everyone, welcome to a brief tutorial on how you can add Apple gift card to your Apple Wallet. Now, whether it's a physical gift card or a digital gift card, you can add it easily to your Apple Wallet. Now, before we get started, subscribe down below for more videos just like this, and let's get started. So, one thing before actually is that if you have a physical gift card, you will be able to scan the code of that gift card and you will be able to add it to the Apple Wallet just like you're adding pretty much anything to the Apple Wallet. However, if it's a digital gift card, then you'll need to do this right here. As you can see, this is on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. So on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod, you can open the App Store on your Apple device. What you want to do is you click on your account icon, which is located at the top right corner of today or featured screen. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Now what you want to do is you want to click on redeem gift card or code. You can choose between use camera or enter code manually. Now this will depend on whether you have a physical or digital gift card. Now from there, you can scan the gift card code with a camera or enter it manually. And this will basically add a gift card to your Apple Wallet. Or you can just go to your Apple Wallet and try to scan it manually. However, in most cases, it won't work. Now, for some gift cards, this won't work. For some, it will work. So it's a bit odd when it comes to the Apple and the gift cards. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can add Apple gift card to your Apple Wallet. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below with your experiences with adding Apple gift cards to your Apple Wallet. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.